Looking for the best indoor TV antenna to get crystal clear channels without the hassle? In this video, I'll break down the top 5 indoor TV antennas that actually work based on performance, range, and real-world results. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and let's find the right antenna for your home. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. Vansky Indoor TV Antenna. The Vansky Indoor TV antenna is designed for people who want clear, free over-the-air TV channels without complicated setups. It pulls in local broadcast signals like ABC, CBS, NBC, Fox, and PBS, delivering crisp HD picture quality right to your TV. The antenna is slim, lightweight, and modern-looking, so it blends easily into any living room or bedroom. What makes the Vansky antenna better than many others is its strong signal reception combined with a clean, low-profile design. It's built to reduce signal noise and interference, which helps maintain stable viewing even in areas with moderate signal strength. Unlike bulky antennas, this one is easy to place near a window or wall without creating clutter. Pros include easy installation, clear HD channels, and a long cable that gives you flexible placement options. Cons may include weaker performance in very remote areas or locations far from broadcast towers. In my analysis, this antenna is a solid choice for everyday TV viewing. Setup is simple, just connect it to your TV, scan for channels, and adjust placement for the best signal. It's good because it delivers reliable free TV. It's not ideal if you live extremely far from city broadcast towers. Overall, it's perfect for apartments, homes, dorms, and cord cutters who want simple, dependable TV access. See the description for more details. Number 2. HIDB Indoor TV Antenna. The HIDB Indoor TV antenna is definitely worth checking out. This antenna is designed for indoor use and works by capturing over-the-air broadcast signals from local TV towers. It supports HD content, including major networks like news, sports, and entertainment channels, without needing cable or satellite equipment. The slim, lightweight design makes it easy to place behind your TV, on a wall, or near a window for better reception. So why is this better than many other indoor antennas? HIDB focuses on strong signal stability and wide signal coverage, which helps reduce pixelation and signal dropouts. It's also optimized for both modern and older TVs, making it a flexible option for many households. Pros include easy setup, clean HD picture quality, and no ongoing service requirements. Cons may include weaker performance in areas far from broadcast towers or in homes with thick walls. My analysis: when placed correctly, this antenna delivers reliable performance for everyday TV viewing. To use it, simply connect it to your TV's antenna port, scan for channels, and adjust placement if needed. Personally, I think it's great for cord cutters, apartments, dorm rooms, and anyone who wants free local TV. See the description for more details. Number 3. Oheotoo Indoor TV Antenna. The Oheotoo Indoor TV antenna might be exactly what you need. This sleek, easy-to-install antenna is designed to pick up HD channels from local broadcasters, giving you access to news, sports, and entertainment all free over the air. Its compact design fits neatly on your wall or behind your TV, and it comes with a long cable, so placement is flexible for the best reception. So why is it better than other indoor antennas? First, it has a strong signal range, letting you capture channels even in areas with weaker signals. Second, its lightweight, flat design means it won't take up space or interfere with your home decor. And the installation is super simple, no complicated tools required. Just plug it in, scan for channels, and you're ready to watch. Of course, there are a few things to keep in mind. Like all indoor antennas, reception can vary depending on your distance from broadcast towers and obstacles like walls or furniture. But overall, its signal quality and ease of use make it a great choice for most households. This antenna is perfect for anyone who wants free TV access, cord cutters, students, or anyone living in an apartment or small home. It's lightweight, portable, and works right out of the box. If you want a reliable, no-fuss solution to get local channels in HD, the Oheotoo Indoor TV antenna is definitely worth checking out. See the description for more details. Number 4. Oyned Indoor TV Antenna. The Oyned Indoor TV antenna might be exactly what you need. This sleek, compact antenna is designed to capture over-the-air HD channels without any messy cables or complicated setups. It supports a wide range of frequencies, ensuring you get clear reception whether you're in the city or the suburbs. So, why choose Oyned over other antennas? Unlike some bulky antennas, this one is lightweight, easy to place anywhere on your wall, window, or even behind the TV, and it doesn't require constant adjustment. Its modern design also blends in perfectly with your home decor. Let's look at the pros and cons. On the plus side, it's easy to install, doesn't need power, and provides impressive HD reception for local channels. The main downside is that reception can vary depending on your location and distance from broadcast towers, but for most homes, it's more than sufficient. Using it is simple. Just plug it into your TV's antenna port, position it near a window for best results, and run a channel scan. That's it, no apps, subscriptions, or monthly fees. Overall, the Oyned Indoor TV antenna is perfect for cord cutters, renters, or anyone who wants free, high-quality TV channels without complicated setups. It's practical, affordable in value, and extremely user-friendly. If you want to enjoy HD TV without cable, check this antenna out today. See the description for more details. Number 5. Antenna's Direct Indoor TV Antenna. The Antenna's Direct Indoor TV antenna could be a game-changer for your home entertainment. This sleek, compact antenna is designed to pick up over-the-air HD channels, giving you access to local news, sports, and your favorite shows without monthly fees. Its lightweight, modern design makes it easy to place anywhere in your home on a wall, window, or shelf. What sets this antenna apart from others is its powerful reception. With amplified signal technology, it can pull in channels from further distances, often outperforming standard indoor antennas. That means more channels, clearer picture quality, and fewer frustrating signal drops. On the plus side, it's easy to set up, just plug it into your TV, scan for channels, and you're ready to go. It's also energy efficient and doesn't require a complicated installation. The main downside is that, like all indoor antennas, reception can vary depending on your location and nearby obstructions, so placement might take a little trial and error. In my analysis, this antenna is perfect for anyone who wants simple, cost-free access to local TV, whether you live in an apartment, a house, or even use it as a secondary TV option. It's particularly ideal for cord cutters who value convenience and performance without bulky hardware. To get the most out of it, try placing it near a window facing your local broadcast towers, and adjust its angle for optimal signal. Overall, the Antenna's Direct Indoor TV antenna is a reliable, user-friendly solution for HD TV streaming without subscriptions. See the description for more details. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.